In today's video guide, I will give you instructions on how to effectively remove the unwanted browser extension called Video Skipping Ads. This extension is promoted through the website videoskippingads.network. The developers of this service indicate that by installing the extension, you will be able to block ads or to skip ads without watching the ads. But the point is that this particular extension is also functioning as a typical hijacker, and it may also display its own ads not related to the sites that you visit. Another problem is that pretty often such extensions may be installed without the customer's permission. For instance, they may be integrated with some free applications, so you might suddenly find out that this extension was installed without your consent or desire. Anyway, if this extension was installed into your Google Chrome browser, we strongly advise that you undertake the measures to remove it as soon as possible. Now, how to get rid of this extension and other extensions from Google Chrome? The manual solution is pretty simple. Access the menu of your browser, go to More Tools, choose Extensions. Then if you find this particular extension called Video Skipping Ads, disable and remove the extension completely. This should be sufficient enough. I also recommend that you additionally examine your computer with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This antivirus solution will help you to detect and remove other threats that could possibly remain on your system, including malware, ransomware, or other serious threats. So go to the page combocleaner.com, use this green download button, install the software, run the installer, and then start researching your device. With its help, Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and eliminate other threats from your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.